Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to add bots to your Discord server online. Well, installing bots to your Discord server can bring various benefits. Bot can automate various tasks such as moderation, server management, administrative duties. They can help enforce rules, filter content, and prevent spam or other unwanted behavior. Bots can provide interactive elements to engage and entertain server members. They can offer games, trivia, polls, and other interactive features that encourage participation and foster a sense of community. So, to add bots to your Discord server on mobile, all you have to do is step 1, go to your browser. Then step 2, search Discord bots. Then step 3, go to top.gg or Discord bots and choose one of the bots here. Example, I'm gonna choose Pro Bot. So to choose it, tap invite. And in here, log in to your Discord account. Now, add to a server. So choose a server to your account. I'm gonna choose my server for music. Then tap continue. Then tap authorize. So it notify you. Then if you go back to your Discord and go to the server, my server for music, you can see now that the ProBot has been installed to your server. So that's how to add bots to your Discord server on mobile. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.